You ready for the sailing?
Yeah. We're singing it together. You gotta come on my side.
Well, yeah, I know, I am.
Ooh. Okay, we're good.
Okay, wait. I'm kind of thirsty. 1 second.
Gosh.
I'm drink.
You're right here. We share the seat. Other side. Oh. Eat your bunny ears off. Ready? Set. If everybody had an afro across the UAA, then everybody be combing like New York City. You see them wearing their wigs and a diamond hairspray too. A bushy blonde afro UAA. You'll catch them coming at Delmar, Ventura County line,
Inside, UAA.
Santa Cruz and Trestle,
Inside, outside, UAA.
all over Manhattan,
outside, UAA.
and anywhere.
Inside, outside.
Everybody's got an afro UAA. Everybody's got an afro UAA. Everybody's got an afro UAA.
Okay, stop.
We need to work on the second song.
Yeah.
We'll be back with the second one.
If we ever figure out how to work that song.